Ooh, Chubbs, are you having your first foods? Some yummy squash. Where did it go? Hey, Daddy, where did you come back with it?
Is that some squash? Squash. Good job. Good job, Bubba's.
Still trying to figure that spoon thing out, huh, Chubbs? Say, this is not my mommy.
Oh.
Oh, Chubbs.
Yeah, squash everywhere, huh? It's okay.
That good squash, Chubbs?
She likes it, though. You like it, Bubba's? Yeah, I know you likes it. Come on, here. I know. Good squash.
That's good, Chubbs?
You like the food? Oh, it's so good. Look. Squash time? That's some squash on spoons. Squash. You eat it all, Chacha. Look.
You're eating it, Chubbs.
Good job.
Good job. Whoa, Chubbs.
Okay, hold on. Hold on. Trying to shove it all in your mouth. It's not the boobies. It's squash. You're getting it everywhere. Yeah, you're getting it. Good job, buds. Look at that. It's squash everywhere. You getting some of your tum-tum too. That's so good, bud. Ooh, is you eating squash? Come on, no, put your hand down.
Good job, Chubbs.
She ate it all.
Whoa.
Good job. Whoa. Trying to keep it in your mouth, huh? You're like, I'm not used to this. I'm gonna eat it, huh? You gonna eat some squash?